Hey guys, very excited. Just picked up a new purchase here with my tax return money, and I thought I would show you. So I ended up buying a Shoei RF-SR helmet, full face. Now this thing is white. I decided to go with white, and I'll explain why. Being out on the highway at night at back streets, I wanted to be a little more visible. All my gear is dark, and yeah, I just felt like I'm a little bit hidden out there at night. I also wanted something different with the gloss finish, kind of resists fingerprints and smudges and stuff like that, so I figured I'd go with the gloss finish as opposed to the matte finish on my old helmet. So this thing is nice. It's meant more for upright riding position as opposed to tuck. If you go onto the Shoei site at Fort 9, it'll show you the comparisons on that. It's meant to be, very quiet inside, and it's an entry-level Shoei helmet, but it's Shoei. If you guys know anything about Shoei, it's up there with the best. So I'm very excited and pleased to be, the new owner of this helmet, and I'll show you some of the stuff it came with. So obviously it's got the Shoei bag here. There you go. There's the logo. Comes with the chin insert there and a pin lock as well. Now, not fully 100% sure that I'm going to go with the pin lock. I do a lot of night riding, and I like to keep my visor down if it's cold, so it kind of distorts things at night. A lot of people swear by them. I've never really used them. My old helmet over there has one too, but I don't have it installed. So just comparison's sake, I will show you the old helmet. This thing is a beast. So this is an HJC CL-17. Yeah, Snell approved, all that stuff, but very heavy compared to the Shoei. Like, even with the Senna attached to it and the GoPro stuff here, I mean, this thing is like night and day difference lighter. And I'm hoping quieter. I'm getting a lot of wind blast on the FZ09 being upright. And yeah, I just wanted to increase my visibility and be safe out there, guys. That's what's important. So you don't want to get taken out by somebody who doesn't see you, and the white helmet should help with that. And yeah, stay tuned for the ride review. I'll get all my GoPro stuff installed. I might avoid installing this, as I'm using my 4 now a little more for motovlogging. But I'm probably going to install this arm on the other side over there, and have my Senna as well on this side over on this helmet. So I'll get all that stuff installed. I'll show you what it all looks like, and yeah, we'll go for a ride. Alright guys, so got everything mounted up here with the help of a friend, 604 Blue Light. Props to you again for helping me out with this. Brand new helmet. A little hesitant to start messing with it, but he just gets right in there and gets it done. So anyway, we've got the GoPro mount hooked up. I've got my 4 on there right now. See, we've got the mount just on the side there. I'll probably put a tether on it just to be safe. But anyway, it sits good angle, level, everything like that. Also got the Senna installed on the side, the 20S right there, and I'm running the boom mic just under here. I don't know if you can see it, but boom mic is right under there, and all the wires and everything tucked away very nicely. So that's all done. Now it's time to try this thing out, take it out for a ride.